Hello kids, welcome to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Kids, as you all know, we always start our class with etiquette. So etiquette of this week is turn off the tap when not in use. Kids, as you know, water is very precious for us, so we should not waste it. You should always turn off the tap when not in use. And second etiquette, switch off the fan light when not in use. Children, you should always switch off the fan and light when not in use. So I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's learn some GK questions. Children, our first question is, which is our national food? Tell me, which is our national food? Khichdi. Very good. Our national food is khichdi. Repeat after me. Our national food is khichdi. Next question. Which is our national animal? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Good. Our national animal is tiger. Repeat after me. Our national animal is tiger. Okay. Now let's move to sight word. Children, tell me, which sight word can you see on screen? Put. Which sight word is written here? Put. Repeat after me. Put. Now let's move to our next topic. Children, today we will revise sound of letters E and A. Now look at screen. Tell me, which letter can you see on screen? E. What is the sound of letter E? A. Great. Now tell me, if we add A with it, then what sound we will get? Children, when we put A with it, then we get the long E sound, E. When we join A with E, then sound becomes long, E. Children, here first letter says its own name and the second one remains quiet. Children, tell me the names of any 5 words in whose names we get the sound E. Deef, D-E, deef. Meal, M-E-L, meal. Repeat after me, meal. B-E-K, beak. Speak with me, beak. Read, R-E-D, read. Repeat after me, read. Seat, S-E-T, seat. Children, you will read all these words once again at your home. Now let's move to our main topic. Children, in our last class we have learned how to convert Hindi names of A Matra into English. Today we will learn the same again. Look at screen. Read this name. Ram. Ram. Children, tell me how you will change this name into English. First letter is Ra. For Ra, what you will write in English? R. R says R, but here you can see A Matra with Ra. For A Matra, what you will write in English? A. Now we will add A with R. When we add A with R, then you can read this sound Ra, R-A, Ra. Now next letter is M. Ra, M, M. Children, for M, what you will write in English? M says Children, Ra, M, M. Here we are not getting whole ma sound, so we will write here only M. We will not join A with M. Children, when we get whole sound, then we add A with letter.
But here we are not getting whole ma sound. So we will not add A with M. Which name is written here? Ram. Now see this name. Read this name. Sara. Tell me how you will convert this name into English. Now look at first letter. First letter is Sa. For Sa, what you will write in English? S. S says S, not Sa. But here you can see a matra with Sa. For a matra, what you will write in English? A. Now we will add A with S. S-A, Sa. Now look at next letter. Next letter is Ra. For Ra, what you will write in English? R. R says R, not Ra. But here has given a matra with Ra. For a matra, what you will write in English? A. Very good. Now we will add A with R. When we add A with R, then you can read this sound Ra. R-A, Ra. Sa-ra. Which name is written here? Sara. Children, look at this name. Read this name. Kajal. Kajal. Tell me how you will change this name into English. First letter is Ka. For Ka, what you will write in English? K says K. K says K. But here a matra with K. For a matra, we will write A. K-A, Ka. Now next letter is Ja. For Ja, what you will write in English? J. J says J, not Ja. But here you can listen whole sound Ja. Children, tell me, for converting Hindi Ja into English, what do you have to do? Yes, we need to add A with J. Children, we cannot make whole Ja without A. For making whole sound, we need to add A with J. J-A, Ja. Ka, Ja, L. L. Children, L. Here we are not getting whole La sound. So we will write here only L. We will not add A with L. Because here we are not getting whole La sound. Ka, Ja, L. L. So children, here we will write only L. We will not add A with L. Read this name, Kajal. I hope you all have understood how to convert Hindi names of a matra into English. Now let's do some practice. Children, what do you have to do in this work? Here are some pictures, out of which you have to circle the pictures that have E sound in their name. Children, first picture is B. Now look at second picture, peas. So in this we are getting the sound of letters EA. So we will circle on this picture. Children, in this way you will complete this work on your own. Now it's time for homework. What you will do in homework? Change into English. Ra, pa, ma, ka, la. Children, you have to convert all of these into English. This is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Thank you so much for attending the online class. Have a nice day. Bye bye children.